And God said, "Let the earth sprout vegetation, plants yielding seed, and fruit trees bearing fruit in which is their seed, each according to its kind, on the earth." And it was so. Genesis 1:11. There's a certain magic to watching life sprout from the earth. As they say, gardening adds years to your life and life to your years. Tonight, we're diving into 7 highly useful plants to add to your garden. Let's get started. Our first stop takes us straight to the heart of Italian cooking: basil. This fragrant herb with its vibrant green leaves is a cornerstone of Mediterranean cuisine. It's a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamin K and manganese. Basil is also believed to have anti-inflammatory properties. Imagine a natural remedy for those long days, growing right outside your door. Basil loves the sun. Give it at least 6 hours of direct sunlight a day and well-drained soil. Water it regularly, but don't drown it. To encourage bushier growth, pinch off any flower buds as soon as you see them. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you later. Next, we travel to the rolling hills of Provence, France, where the air is filled with the intoxicating scent of lavender. These beautiful purple blooms are not just a feast for the eyes, they're a balm for the soul. Lavender is renowned for its calming properties. Used in aromatherapy for centuries, its scent is believed to promote relaxation and sleep. It's also a natural insect repellent, keeping mosquitoes and moths at bay. Lavender thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. A little pruning after flowering will encourage bushier growth and more of those beautiful blooms. Now, let's talk about a plant that's as refreshing as a cool breeze on a summer day: mint. This versatile herb, with its signature invigorating aroma, is a staple in gardens around the world. Mint is incredibly easy to grow. It's best grown in containers to prevent it from taking over your garden. From soothing an upset stomach to relieving headaches, mint has been used medicinally for centuries. It's also a natural breath freshener, which explains its popularity in toothpaste and mouthwash. From refreshing summer cocktails to decadent desserts, mint adds a burst of flavor to any dish. Our next stop takes us to the sun-drenched shores of the Mediterranean, where rosemary, with its needle-like leaves and distinct aroma, thrives. This hardy herb is a staple in Mediterranean cuisine, adding a savory depth to roasted meats, vegetables, and even bread. It's a treasure trove of health benefits, packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Rosemary is relatively low maintenance, preferring full sun and well-drained soil. It's also drought-tolerant, making it a great choice for gardeners in arid climates. Chapter 5. Thyme, small but mighty. Don't let its diminutive size fool you. Thyme, with its delicate leaves and powerful aroma, is a force to be reckoned with. This hardy herb, native to the Mediterranean, is a culinary chameleon, adding a subtle earthiness to soups, stews, and sauces. It's been used medicinally for centuries, prized for its antiseptic and antibacterial properties. Thyme is a sun worshipper, thriving in well-drained soil and at least 6 hours of direct sunlight a day. Chapter 6. Aloe Vera, nature's healer. This succulent plant, with its fleshy leaves filled with a soothing gel, is a true marvel of nature. For centuries, aloe vera has been used to treat burns, cuts, and skin irritations. Its gel, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, has powerful anti-inflammatory and healing properties. It's also a natural air purifier, removing harmful toxins from the air. Aloe vera is incredibly easy to care for, thriving in bright, indirect sunlight and well-drained soil. It's also drought-tolerant, making it a great choice for forgetful gardeners. Chapter 7. Chives, a versatile addition. Our final stop takes us to the world of subtle flavors and delicate beauty, where chives, with their slender green stalks and delicate onion flavor, shine. These easy-to-grow perennials are a welcome addition to any garden, adding a touch of elegance and a burst of flavor. Chives are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Sprinkle them over baked potatoes, stir them into dips, or use them to garnish soups and salads. They're also a good source of vitamins A and C, as well as dietary fiber. Chives are incredibly low maintenance, thriving in full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. They're also relatively pest-free, making them a great choice for beginner gardeners. Outro: your garden awaits. So why not start your own garden today and enjoy the many benefits these plants have to offer? Whether you're looking to enhance your culinary creations, invite a sense of tranquility into your life, or simply connect with nature, these 7 plants are a great place to start. Remember, even the smallest garden can bring immense joy and a world of possibilities. So, roll up your sleeves, get your hands dirty, and experience the magic of gardening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!